What happens when you install a new modern condensing combi boiler, high efficiency, and leave an old steel flue in place? The correct flue would have been made of plastic internally, as condensate which is produced by the boiler is acidic and will burn through the metal. As you can see, the hole there that's been caused by the condensate, making the whole installation extremely dangerous. What makes this even more dangerous is that the flue actually runs through a bedroom ceiling. The installer just taping up the flue there. Another section of flue taken out. As you can see, the corrosion that's been caused by the condensate actually passed its flue integrity test before this video was made, which shows the importance of checking the inspection hatches, looking at the full length of the flue, looking out for any spillage, taking the case off the boiler, checking for any spillage inside there. All these signs would have been a dead giveaway that the boiler was not working as it should. Don't solely rely on doing a flue integrity test and thinking everything's okay.